Welcome back to Stike Arts. Today, I'm excited to show you something truly unique. A double-sided beaded bracelet done using the right angle weave pattern. And trust me, this one's a head turner. On one side, we've got the bold Kenyan colors with the word Kenya proudly standing out, perfect for showing your Kenyan pride in style. But there's a magic. Once you flip it over and boom, you've got Ugandan, Ethiopian and Tanzanian colors seamlessly blended. It's like wearing a whole East African celebration on your wrist. All handcrafted using fishing line only and seed beads. There's no needles, no threads, just pure bead artistry. Durable, flexible and totally adjustable for everyday wear. Whether you're repping your country, gifting a friend, or you just love beadwork, this bracelet lets you switch styles anytime you want. And if you'd love to order your own custom bracelet or learn how to make it, you can hit me up on email or my contacts will be down on the description below. And kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you haven't already, and share for more beadwork creativity from Stike Arts. Smash that subscribe button, drop a like and share with your friends, because over here we don't just make beadwork, we make masterpieces. And hey, if bracelets are not enough, wait till you see what else we've got. From beautiful beaded flower vases for your home, to funky key holders, custom name bracelets, and even glow-in-the-dark designs that come alive at night. Stike Arts is where creativity meets culture. For custom orders and inquiries, links are in the description below, as I already told you. And I would love to hear what you have to say about our work down on the comment section below. Thank you and see you on the next video.